Hey, Kettle Corn Cousins, this is Mitch, your welder fabricator at kettlecornsupplies.com. I have a very rare occurrence here in the shop. I have 3 poppers in the shop at the same time going to different customers throughout the country. I have the 140 and I have 280 quarts. But we're not going to talk about the 140 today. We're going to focus on the 280 quarts. This is going to our Kettle Corn cousin Brad out in one of the Carolinas. Always get them mixed up, north and south, you know. Anyway, Brad, this is Kettle Corn, your Kettle Corn cousin Brad's popper, and I think Worf, I think is in his. This one I can't remember. Anyway, so this is the basic original. It's square. You'll notice that it has a little bit more of a utilitarian look to it. Real basic, a frame with a bowl in it. It pops the same as the other 80 quarts. Uses all the same burners. Everything's the same. The difference is when you dump it into a bucket. You pick the bucket up, you put it in the sifting table. The original and the Premier have that in common. Dump it, pick it up, put it in the original, or in the table. Now you'll notice this is the same as the front, but that's about where the similarities end. The difference is this, you'll notice, has the handles in the front. This has the handles in the back. And the casters. When I move it, you put your foot on it, set it down, put it up. If I can break this. But with the Premier, put your foot on it, same casters, but you're tipping it from the front and moving it around this way. You'll notice the back, more round, a little more stylish. But there's also something else you notice. This has a heat shield on it. This makes it pop a lot more comfortably. There's also one other little feature here that they both have, and that is a place to put your lighter. Your lighters go right there. And when you light the popper, they both light from the front. This is a physical popper or physical lighting burner. And you just reach in there, give it a couple of clicks, and it goes. Nothing to worry about. When you're done, you just stick it in there. They both come with hoses, regulators, and gauges. You get a stir stick with it and a lighter. I could talk about more about it, but those are the main physical differences between the two. Operationally, functionally, they're the same. I just like this one. It's just cute. All right, Kettle Corn Cousins, if you've got any questions, just give me a call, and I would love to answer your questions. If I don't answer the phone right away, I will call you back. For now, be mighty, my friends. Kettle Corn Cousins, I hope you have a great year.